Welcome back to the second video in the Trio series, where I'm taking a look at these awesome car culture Team Transport sets. So yep, I managed to find all three cars in a local toy shop, which is really awesome. For the first time ever, I was able to actually collect some Team Transports since, well, the only one I ever got, I showed in the last video, but a friend got me, was very kind of him. And other than that, I've never been able to actually go and find these myself. And I say, part of the fun is actually being able to find stuff in your stores. I think peg hunting for things is just so much more fun than going online and paying more for it. But anyway, let's crack on. Here we have the Plymouth Cuda and the retro rig. So this looks really cool. But let's waste no time and we'll cut it out of its box. Like I stated in the previous video, I'm going to cut these out so I keep the box. That way I have something to actually display or protect the trucks in. Maybe one day I'll actually make a display that can hold bigger vehicles like this, but I think this is the best way for now. I don't think it's worth keeping these carded, because these are just way too cool to keep in the plastic prison, especially when I've never seen them before. Right, try and hoik out the inner plastic. There we are. Very cool. And here is the truck with the car on top. Very nice. This one's only got the singular insert. The last one had like loads of pieces of plastic. So that's pretty neat. Oh, this one feels really nice. So this is obviously, just by the nature of this truck, there's less plastic involved, so it just feels more solid. So I'll zoom in a bit. There's the base, all nice metal retro rig. Nice wheels on there. Pretty cool looking retro wheels on there. The rears are a bit... It rolls alright, but I think them rear wheels are rubbing a little bit. They sort of push into the top arch. It's a bit of a shame. I know it's not much. This is probably more of a display vehicle, let's face it, for the price. You won't be buying this for children to play with. Yeah, those rear wheels just rub. Doesn't roll at all. It's a bit of a shame. In fact, actually the front wheels rub as well. They've made it so low that it just rubs. You can actually see the wheel kind of locking up. Oh well. Got a nice blue stripe on the side. HotWheels Snake 2, I think that says. Some very tiny writing down there as well, which I cannot read. There's the back with some nice detail. I tried this method. I'll zoom into it. There we are. I'm not even going to pronounce that on the back. You can read it and pronounce it in your head how you wish to pronounce it. Very cool. Nice rear light details. Yeah, all side marked up. On the front there, we've got some nice details as well. Marker lights on the roof there, which is awesome. So yeah, pretty cool on the truck there. But, oh, well, that's a nice sign. Oh yeah. So we're here for the car mainly. And it's one of these drag cars with the lifting, or the hinged rear piece, so you can lift them up and see inside. Oh wow, it's got the plastic piece to keep it open. Oh wow, that's awesome. I don't think I've actually got a car with a piece like that to keep it open, to be fair. Now that I think of it, that might be the first I've actually got like that. That's really cool. Oh wow. So as you can tell, inside we've got the awesome engine, which I think might even be plastic, you know. I think there's like a plastic insert that runs across there. I'll zoom in a bit, trying to get you to see a bit more. I think there's actually a plastic chrome tip there. I think the engine is plastic, which isn't too bad because it's kind of inside, you don't notice it so much. The exhausts here are part of the metal base, which is a nice touch, so they are metal. Awesome fat rear wheels with the Goodyear written on the walls of them. Tiny little skinny front wheels, as it is a drag car. Pretty awesome. I'll just lower that back down. That's such a cool feature. I don't think I've actually got a car with that feature yet. That's really cool, I love that. So on the side, Hot Wheels Snake, Plymouth, Goodyear and a few other little brands on the side. Very, very cool. Got some flames going over the top there. Got your engine scoop through the screen. Front light details, some more branding on the front splitter. And on the back there, got a little parachute, ducktail spoiler, some nice rear light tampos as well, and a wheelie bar down there. 712 written on the side. That's really cool. That extra feature has blown me away. I love that. That's so awesome. Yes. Excitement. Yes. Excitement is yes. Let's try and move them into the centre of the camera. Get a little bit of focus on the car. Yes, that is so cool. Oh wow. That is really, really cool. In fact, we could even display it like that. Oh, that is epic. Do really like that. So yeah, there we have it. I think I've covered everything on that one. Hopefully I have. Let me know what you think of it down below. That Cuda has absolutely blown me away. That is really awesome. So I hope you've enjoyed watching and unboxing it with me. Gotta say, these are really awesome because it's like a first for me unboxing these. But yeah, stay tuned for video 3, which will be coming out soon. We'll look at the Silhouette R34. Let me know down below your comments. Are you picking these cars up? Have you even found them? Especially my UK followers. Let me know if you've managed to find these yourself. I wish you all the best of luck in your peg hunts. And yeah, I'll see you again in episode 3.